Hey folks, welcome to Quantifies. Today we will learn about momentum trading, wherein we will understand how can we go ahead and identify the momentum in the market and eventually how can we go ahead and ride that momentum. So first of all, when we talk about momentum trading, so the best part is that the stop losses when we are trading the momentum would be very small and the targets would be very open. So what I mean is that we would have very little to lose but a lot to earn. So that is the trading strategy that we will learn today. And the idea will be to catch the stocks or to catch the indices which are in a momentum. If a sector or a stock or index, if it is not in a momentum, then you can't go ahead and purposely create a trade in that. So a lot of times what we do is we keep on often analyzing a particular index or a particular stock. But if there is no trend in that particular index, so any indicator you use, it will not generate a trend in that. So what we need to do actually is we need to catch those stocks or those indices which are in a momentum. So one of the ways to do it is to catch those stocks which are trading around its pivotal highs. Okay, that means let's say if the stock is around its resistance level, okay, and the moment that resistance is getting taken out, we could say that likely is the chance that momentum is getting established. So to find out such stocks, we can use a simple indicator named as price over percentile. Okay. So what is price OI percentile? It is a simple indicator that ranks the current price and OI participation compared to its recent history. Okay. So over here, first of all, set the look back period as 90. Okay. So first thing I'll do when I enter price OI percentile is I will set the look back period as 90. That I'm saying the application that whatever price and OI percentile the app is calculating, it should compute it based on 90 days ka historical data. Okay. Now I have price percentile and I have OI percentile. So in simple words, more spiked up the price percentile is.
He Traders Quantsap has simplified option trading analytics for you. Click the link in the description box below, complete your sign up process and access the most advanced option analytical tools in the entire industry. Thank you.
More spiked up the prices are, less the price percentile is, less the prices. Okay. So whenever I see the price percentile around 100, that means the price is around the recent high. Whenever the price percentile is around 0 or around 1, that means the price is around the recent low. So wherever I see the price percentile is above 90, that will tell me that that stock has positive momentum. And whenever I see the stock's price percentile is, let's say, below 20, that will tell me that the stock has a negative momentum. Okay. So again to repeat, positive momentum in the price will tell me when the price percentile is above 90, and negative percentile, that means price percentile below 20, will tell me a negative momentum. So now in order to catch such stocks, what I'll do, I'll sort it as per price percentile. Okay. Now automatically if you see BPCL, Hinpetro, Britannia, their price percentile is very low. That is telling me basically that the BPCL's price currently has fallen a lot in the recent most data. So let's try to go ahead and validate that if that is the case. Let's open chart. Okay, so this is Maruti by the way. And let me just open BPCL. Okay, and let me plot a daily chart. Now if you see, the price is falling of BPCL, right? So all we need to do is just check at the price percentile. If it is around 0 or below 20, that will tell us that the price is going down, whereas if it is around 90, that will tell us that the price is going up. Okay, so far. So in Petro, now again if you see, the prices are actually falling off the instrument. Now, in order to find the bullish trade, what I'll do, I'll just click on this arrow. So if you see Axis Bank, BEL, Bharat Forge, all these instruments, if I just show you Axis Bank, so the price would be, the recent most price would be in a strong upside momentum. See? So this is how, using price percentile, we can first identify the stocks where there is a price momentum. Okay, so if you just see Dexon Tech as well, So let's say Dixon Tech. Alright. So now as you could see, the price is actually moving up a lot. Now, what actually should I do? Okay, just only looking at price percentile, will it make sense? No, it will not make a lot of sense because I will also look at OI percentile. Basically, what I want to validate is the rise in the price. Is it getting packed up by additional open interest? So what I want is, if I want to participate in a bullish trade, I want the OI percentile to also be above 90, which will tell us that a lot of people are actually participating in the up moves which are happening in the stock. Okay. Now I will not look at the stocks where the OI percentile is not actually going up. So something like Axis Bank, I'm not very interested in this because people are not participating. You can just look at OI percentile and you can figure that out. So basically, if I want to create a bullish trade, I will search for such stocks where the price percentile is above 90 and OI percentile is above 90. If I want to create a bearish trade, what I'll do is I'll search for stocks where the price percentile is below 20 and OI percentile is above 90. Okay. Price percentile below 20 and OI percentile above 90 for a bearish trade. That is what I will search for. Wherever, let's say, BHEL and BSoft and all those things where the OI percentile is not really spiked up, I am not interested in what is happening in those stocks. Alright. Another way around would be we can easily filter it out based on the OI participation. So if you just see Maruti, I actually scanned Maruti a few days ago. I'll just show you symbol wise percentile. Now if you see Maruti, it is moving higher. Today what happened? First time in the recent history, if you just see, first time after 17th of August, the stock's price and OI percentile went above 90, right? Both of the cases, right? Yeah, even the price percentile and OI percentile. It went above 90 and see the stock is up by 350 rupees. So it is up by 3.5 percentage today. So it's simple. All we need to do is we just need to watch out for those stocks where the price and Y percentile is above 90. And then obviously what we would do is, so let's say Maruti, obviously we can go ahead and combine this analysis with some kind of technical analysis. So a simple way, the way I do it is, the moment Maruti would have broken this high, right? This important high. So the moment it breaks out, I will go ahead and create a trade with the stop loss of the low of the today's candle itself, right? So this also can be done. So we can go ahead and combine some sort of technical analysis on this and we can capture some moves like this. So it's easy, right? So price percentile would have told us that some positive action is happening in Maruti. In fact, they told us yesterday as well that some positive action is happening in Maruti. Okay. Now the moment the OI percentile also goes above 90, that will come on my radar list. Okay, and then I will come to charts and I'll see that okay, it has broken the day high, or not the day high, but the pivotal previous swing high, and the moment it is getting taken out, I can go ahead and participate with a small stop loss of maybe this low, and I could have captured easily with a very small risk but a huge reward to earn. I could have captured this particular move. So that is how I can capture momentum very easily. So the link for price Y percentile would be there in the description box below. So do check out price Y percentile and trade momentum with an edge.